Wrapping something small is so hard, but let me show you how to do it with a furoshiki. See how small this box is? Let me show you. Place the box right in the center. When you wrap it, make sure you have enough fabric to cover the top surface. Tie a knot on each side of the box. This way, those knots help keep the fabric and the box in the same place. Take two ends and use a rubber band. Secure it in the space. Take one corner, tuck it under, do the same on the other side. There you go. Now you have a tiny, beautiful flower bow.